All right, everyone, welcome to the solution video for question 6 on Basics Worksheet 1, where we're going to be creating a tipping calculator. The user is going to input two values, the total cost of the meal and the tip percentage that they want to tip. Here we go. So for our inputs here, we're going to get total cost equal to float of input. Enter the meal cost. We can't use an apostrophe there, so we're going to leave it like that. And we're going to say tip percentile is going to be equal to int input. Enter the tip percentage as a whole number. Perfect. We have to get it as a whole number because, once again, percentages are not data types built into Python. So let's do our processing section where we calculate the cost now. I just want the tip value. Tip value is total cost multiplied by all together tip percentile divided by 100. So we got a whole number. I'm going to divide it by 100 to make it a percentage, right? Because a percentage is always out of 100. Then whatever value we get, we multiply that to the total cost. That would tell us the tip. So having tip, we're also going to update our total cost to be itself plus tip. So this is a really good way to update a variable where you refer back to itself and add a value. But if I wanted to shorten that and use an actual Python operator to do that more cleanly, we can say total cost plus equals tip. What we're saying is we're going to add tip to total cost and update that value with the new result. And this is the preferred way of writing line 15. So now for our output here, we're going to say print the meal cost tip is, let's say, total cost. Alrighty. Let's look at a meal cost of $34.50 and we gave them 20% tip. So our meal cost would be $41.40. So in the future, we're going to learn how to put a dollar sign there and make sure that we set it to 2 decimal places. But for now, this is your generic basic tipping calculator. Thank you for watching and stay classy.